Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little minute, but let's get straight into it. So these are the colors I use: Orange Blaze, Raspberry Twist, Purple Rage, Jade, Sky Blue, Limelight, and Vivid Violet. I did use the yellow from Kiss and the honey brown from Kiss. Now this is the hair before I colored it. I sectioned it off and then I went ahead and started to apply these colors. Now, I did let it sit for 24 hours, and then I applied the brown and let that sit for 24 hours. Rinsed it with cold water, and this is the look after it's all rinsed out. Now, I'm not about to talk anymore, honestly, until I'm towards the end of the video, because this is pretty self-explanatory. I have already did multiple videos of how I laid my lace glue and how many layers I laid. It's always 3. So yes, continue to watch. And this glue that I'm using is what is it? It's the Alonzo Arnold. I can't remember who that brand is. But yeah, it's his line of that brand glue, and I love it. Along with the skin protectant. If you're gonna buy his glue, get the skin protectant with it. It really helps a lot.
Monkey.
Want y'all to see how beautiful these curls look. I didn't even want to brush them out, but hey, we had to because we did multiple looks, and y'all are about to see all the looks we did. They are all so cute. I absolutely love the color pop, how it stood out against this brown. Like, I wanted to do this style on me. It's so cute. If you are listening to this and you made it to the end of the video, I thank you for that. Like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you can be notified when I drop more videos. I will see y'all next time. Bye.